Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is Charles Spearman's rank difference method. In the earlier lecture we studied Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, and this is the second method of calculating coefficient of correlation. Under this Carl Pearson's method, we calculate correlation of the when the variables, or we can say when the two sets of variables and the pair of variables are in quantity. So we can say that that method was quantitative method. So when there are some variables where we cannot, these variables cannot be expressed in quantity. For example, like beauty, like honesty, etc., like bravery, etc. So these are the variables. They cannot be expressed in quantity terms. We cannot see how much a person is beautiful, how much beautiful a person is in quantity terms. We cannot give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, or in like honesty. Likewise, honesty cannot be measured in cardinal terms, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So the quantity cannot be given to these attributes here. Charles Spearman was the economist. He says that these are the qualitative variables. Qualitative variables. So these are qualitative variables. In 1904, Charles Spearman he developed a formula to calculate this. The qualitative, to calculate the coefficient of correlation between these qualitative variables. The formula for calculating this under Spearman's method is, that is, he did this give the rank difference method, and our rank difference method by Carl Pearson's according to Carl Pearson's formula is equal to 1 minus 6 summation of d square divided by n into n square minus 1. So this is the formula for calculating Charles Spearman's rank difference method. So we will explain this formula here. We can shorten the formula here. This 1 minus 6 summation of d square divided by n into n square. N into n square comes equal to n cube minus n into 1 is equal to n. So this is 1 minus 6 summation of d square divided by n cube minus n. So this is the formula for calculating this Carl Pearson. This is Charles Spearman's rank difference method. Here this d square, d is equal to, it is the simply difference. D is difference between rank 1, between ranks. We can see it is difference between ranks. It's rank 1. This is equal to R1 minus R2. So rank 1 minus rank 2. Here we simply give the ranks. If a person is most beautiful, we give him 1 rank. If another is less beautiful than first, we will give him the 2nd rank. Likewise, here we give the ranks. So this D is the difference between 2 ranks, that's R1 minus R2, and N is number of pairs. So this is how to calculate this Charles Spearman's rank difference method. In the next lecture, we will give an example and calculate this by this method. Thank you very much.